How to change password of your IRCTC account using the IRCTC Rail Connect application for Android and iOS devices. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. If you are looking for changing up your IRCTC password or updating that, so you can do so easily by using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So you can download the IRCTC Rail Connect application from the Play Store or the Apple App Store, and once the application has been successfully installed into your system, you will need to tap onto the application icon and launch the application. Once you will launch the application, you will receive an alert like this, which you can dismiss by clicking onto this OK button. And once that will be done, you will be landed onto this login page. So in order to log in, you will need to click onto this login option at the top right, and once you will do this, you will need to enter your IRCTC credentials or maybe use your biometric authentication if enabled. Then after your user verification is done, you will be successfully signed in into the IRCTC Rail Connect application. Now in this particular interface, you will need to click onto this account button at the bottom, and once you will do this, you will have this option that says change password. So simply click onto this change password button, and from here you will first need to enter your old password, and then you will have to enter your new password. The new password must be between 11 to 15 characters long, with at least one capital letter, one special character, one small character, and one numeric digit. After you have done typing in the new password, you will need to type in again to confirm it, and you will need to click onto the save button. You might also need to verify your OTP once again from the registered mobile number or email ID, and if that will be done, your new password will be updated. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.